Well, here's my 42-inch RCA TV. It's LCD. Had about 2.5 years, and the other night it would not turn on. Oh, after a quick Google search, found out it's common on the boards the capacitors to go. It's bulged up compared to the other one. There's actually two bad ones there. Took it into town. Nobody wants to fix it without bringing the whole damn TV in. So we're in the Radio Shack. Picked up a whole pile of capacitors. Yeah, it's capacitor. That's not bad. Capacitor. So I'm gonna attempt to find the right pins there and solder new ones. Hopefully. Good thing we got a spare 42-inch TV laying around, huh? Alright, roughly an hour later. Hard to see. There's three bad ones. I'm looking at her.
That's a great myth, but nobody's gonna let us hang from a real helicopter.
It's one of the good ones. Just put in, the other two are right behind it. And best thing of all, she's running. Green light. Woohoo! Oh, just gotta put the cover back on. And the base.